Hey there, family. I'm Erica Akins here, owner of C2E Designs and Decor, along with my husband, Charles Akins Sr., and son, Charles Akins Jr. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will be showing you behind the scenes footage of how I designed and set up for my son's Ninjago themed birthday. Don't forget to visit us on our website at www.c2edesigns.net. And if you have any questions, you can contact us via email at info@c2edesigns.com. Enjoy! For this setup, I used 2 packs of multi-size balloons per color, 1 pack of each color per arch. Each pack had 100 multi-size balloons to include 18-inch, 12-inch, 10-inch, and 5-inch. The balloon colors used were black, white, red, blue, yellow, and green. I also had some balloons left over in each pack. Don't forget to see our great finds on Amazon video for links to all the Ninjago party decor I used for this setup. Now, one recommendation I would give is always be proactive and prepare as much as you can in advance prior to the scheduled event. Now, here's what you'll see in this video. Since many fabrics typically are wrinkled when you remove the package, I would recommend ironing or steaming. Otherwise, the wrinkles will show up in your pics and your videos. I ironed the banners, arch covers, and the cylinder plinth covers. Now, most arch stand covers are typically see-through, so I would recommend doubling up to have a more opaque look. But please note, I did not do that for this setup. Now, both arch stands and covers are 6 feet. As I install the arch covers, I am ensuring a tight fit all the way down and that the seams align with the sides of the stand. The cylinder plinth covers are more feasible to put on. I'm using 1 4-foot and 1 3-foot cylinder plinth. After installing the covers, I like to set up and place some of the props prior to installing the balloon garlands so that I can visualize exactly where to place them. Since balloons can be heavy, I added weights to the arch stands to avoid any potential tilting. To add the happy birthday sign, instead of using glue dots for a cloth backdrop, I used duct tape and a safety pin for each letter. It was easy and it came out perfect. The letters remained in place. I learned this tip from a video while viewing Instagram. There are 2 ways to blow up the 5-inch balloons. You can use a manual handheld balloon pump or an electric balloon pump. For either way, blow up to about 4 inches, then let the air out to about 3 or 2.5 inches. I start out with using a balloon sizer to get the exact measurement, and I build the clusters the same way I would the larger 10 to 12-inch balloon clusters. Now it's time to build and install the balloon garlands. Here's a quick look of all the supplies I use for this setup. I initially create my balloon garlands with 10-inch and 12-inch balloons, and I tie the necks together using 4 to 6 balloons per cluster. I also build my garland using 260s. It's best to use the same color 260 as the balloons so that it can camouflage with the balloons. After hanging the first layer of the balloon garland with the spring clamps or clips and 260s, I then start building out to make it fuller using additional balloon clusters. This helps to add more volume to your garland. You can add by using 260s, fishing line, or rubber bands. In this setup, I used rubber bands. I completed the same process for the arch on the other side. time for the fillers using the 5-inch clusters. To add the clusters to the garland, I use rubber bands because I find it easier to rearrange if I want. However, you can also use 260s or fishing line. Here's the first arch done. Add your last finishing decor touches such as specialty balloons, cake stands, stickers, lighting. For me, I added the Ninja paper lanterns, swords, the laminated Ninjago eyes I created, and 2 stanchions. For applying the balloon shine, I recommend putting plastic or painter's drop cloth down first prior to spraying the balloon shine. You enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed one and see you next time.